I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Ford Expedition. First, ensure your engine is cool and the vehicle is on a level surface. Locate the radiator drain cock at the bottom of the radiator. Place a suitable drain pan underneath to catch the coolant. Open the drain cock and remove the radiator cap to help the coolant drain faster. Let it drain completely before moving on. Next, disconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses. You might need pliers for the clamps. Unplug any electrical connections, such as those for the cooling fan or sensors. Then, remove the fan shroud and any bolts holding the radiator in place. With everything disconnected, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine compartment. Be mindful of any remaining fluid. Now, gently lower the new radiator into its position in the engine bay. Make sure it seats correctly in its mounts. Secure it with the mounting bolts you removed earlier, and then reattach the fan shroud. Reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, ensuring the clamps are tight to prevent leaks. Finally, plug in all electrical connectors to the new radiator and fan assembly. With the new radiator installed, it's time to refill the system. Use the correct type and amount of coolant for your vehicle. Once filled, run the engine with the radiator cap off to bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Finally, check for leaks and take a short test drive, monitoring your temperature gauge closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.